What is up, humans? We got a new dunk in. It feels like we've had a dunk drought for a little while, but we have the There Dunk Low. This thing releases August 2nd. They're 135 bucks, and they are very true to size. I could go with my standard 11.5 in this one, or I could do the 12. Either one works for me, but I'm going to say they're true to size just for you guys, because that's what you're all going to vote anyway on the community poll that I'm going to post asking how these things fit. So if you don't know where that is, if you go to the main page of this channel, there's a community section, and I will have a poll where people can vote on how they think it fits. So some people have already gotten theirs. They can tell you how it fits on foot. If you don't know, just choose I don't know, I came for answers, whatever that is, and it'll reveal all of the votes. So you can see, like, most people are going to say true to size. But let's go ahead and get into it. This thing comes in your Quick Strike box right here. There it is right here, your Nike SB Dunk Low Quick Strike in black Gorge green and Summit white. These things are super sick. The photos have not done them justice. I couldn't tell like what the toe box was, like if it was suede or some kind of weird, it almost looked like a painted material. But let's just jump into it. Here you go, guys. This is it. If you look here, it's just like a long, hairy suede. This suede makes it look like it has a different texture, like it might be kind of a hard painted material in some of the photos. But that is a nice kind of little bit longer suede. And then you have a little bit shorter suede on the vamp and the quarter panels and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, you can kind of see that longer suede right there on the heel tab, where you have your There branding on there as well. And then also you've got all these embroidered details right there. This is stitched into the suede, so that is pretty sick. I don't know that we've ever seen anything like that on an SB. I'm sure there's so many iterations, and I've had so many over the years, but this looks really cool. It's got that Jeffrey Chung art sewn in on there. And Jeffrey Chung is the individual, or one of the individuals behind There Skateboards, which is distributed by Deluxe, which is one of the most respected skateboard distributions and skateboard brands in all of skateboarding. So it's pretty sick. We've seen some other Deluxe leaks from Nike SB possibly coming. Can't speak on that at the moment, but I think this Dunk Low looks pretty dang sick. There's your Dunk Low Pro There branding on the tongue right there. And then you've got these crazy lace locks, or Dubrays. You got these little Dubrays here on the bottom, which is the Jeffrey Chung art, which looks amazing. Dude, also, look at all the detail. These laces are kind of next level. It's kind of crazy that a lace will get you excited about a shoe, but I know, I get it. So on the inside of the tongue label, you also have some more artwork. So there is art all over this thing. Even on the outsole right there, you've got this green, the updated Nike SB outsole with your Phylon midsole, extra grippy, extra durability, and extra impact support built into this thing. And then you've got that kind of pebbled swoosh on the side as well. So pretty epic. It's really good to kind of finally see these in hand, because like I said, I just really couldn't tell like what that material was on the toe box or all these little panels here. It just looked like it might be like a painted cracked leather or something in some of the photos. It is definitely suede. This shoe is very, very, very skatable. I know sometimes people complain that some of the SB Dunks don't seem very skatable. This might be the most skatable SB Dunk this year. It looks pretty epic. So these colors are sick too. Black, green, and white. Dude, so much stuff. You get so many extra laces. I'm not going to pull them out just yet, but look at all this extra artwork and more detail sewn into this shoe. It's pretty damn sick. So this shoe says Nike on the heel. The other one says There. And then you've got all your extra artwork. So for those of you who don't know, There is a brand, like I said, out of Deluxe. Unity and There are kind of sister companies that kind of give opportunity for trans and queer skateboarders in skateboarding because it's dominated by white males. Here's your outsole on your other shoe as well. Some artwork kind of hiding on the sole or outsole of this one also. Phylon, midsole, etc. More artwork on the inside of this shoe. And then also you've got these orange Dubray, or lace locks, whatever you want to call these things. So if you wanted to switch out the lace to this orange or this orange, you could do that and just match them to the lace locks or Dubray thingamabob. Some of the features that I haven't talked about yet are these turn and stitch toe cap, your hidden lace protection. You also have those heel pods in there. So you got memory foam heel pods to help your foot stay secure in the shoe. And then also, let's see, can you see these things? Of course, you got your Lycra tongue straps to keep your tongue nice and straight and centered. There's your origin tag and size and all that sort of stuff on there as well. And then here are your insoles with some different artwork on both insoles, Nike SB and their branding on your insoles. And then of course you got your Pour-On forefoot and your Zoom Air or Air Zoom, Zoom Air, Air Zoom. I think it changed at some point, so Zoom Air, we're gonna say. Check out the laces. These things are crazy. These orange laces sort of mimic the green ones that come in it. So instead of black and green, you got black and orange, or you can go solid. This is more of your traditional SB lace. And this is black. You got straight up black and then just a straight orange as well. So tons of lace options. There you go, guys. That's it. This is the There Dunk Low Quick Strike, releasing August 2nd. It's $135, fits true to size. If you don't know about There skateboards, check them out. They provide safe spaces and opportunities to queer and trans skateboarders out of San Francisco. Stay tuned for more stuff from Nike SB and Deluxe. Anyway, guys, all the best. Love Blue Tile, and we'll see you in the next one. Also, we're going to take a look at this one right here. This is a new shoe by Nike SB in the next video, so stay tuned for that tomorrow. And also, I've been doing more hard goods stuff. I'm just trying to warm up into that. So check out Blue Tile Skateboards on YouTube for hard goods. We got a Lurpiv Trucks video that went up this morning, and we got a Britney Spears Welcome collab that went up yesterday. So check that out as well if you guys are interested in that. Please like and subscribe and all that good stuff, but we'll see you guys in the next one. All the best. Love Blue Tile, and goodbye. This was a train wreck.